Happy Halloween! If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am going to be doing another palette bingo, and I am going to do it again with a Revolution Haunted House eyeshadow palette because I love it so much and I just want to play with it a little bit more. And I mean, I've been using it every single day since I got it, so I really love it. I haven't even used the avocado palette yet. But anyways, today I wanted to do another palette bingo. Hopefully you guys don't mind. So if you guys are new here and don't know what this palette looks like, this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. It has a bunch of fall colors and I just love it so much. So let's generate 5 numbers. I already have my random generator ready. So this palette has 1 through 18, so I'm going to generate the first number. So 13, 1, and 6. So the first shade that I got is Nightmare, which is this black one right here. And then I got Attic, this one right here. And the third shade that I got is number 6, which is Demonic. I think last time I got the same shade, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to generate the next 2 numbers. So we got 5 and 8. Okay, so I got the shade Survival, that burgundy shade, and I got shade number 8, which is Phobia, this one right here. So this is Survival and this is Phobia. So these are the shades that I have to use to create a look. It's going to be a very dark look. So before I begin, I'm going to prime my eyes with this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to be priming my eyes off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I already primed my eyes. Now I'm ready to do the look. Hopefully it comes out good. I hardly do eyeshadow looks with black. Oh, and by the way, I'm not an expert. I just like playing with makeup. Okay, so I am going to begin with Nightmare, which is the black shade. I'm going to be using this brush right here. So I'm going to get some of that black shade and tap it off a lot because I don't want to overdo this. I might be using the wrong brush, but just bear with me. Now I'm going to be blending this with this Luxie mini tapered brush. This one right here. Got this in BoxyCharm. I'm not gonna blend it out fully because I still don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this brush right here. And I'm going into the shade Survival, which is this burgundy reddish shade. And I'm going to put it on the top. And I think I'm going to put it like a little bit here. Okay, now with a brush with no extra product, I'm just going to blend out the edges. Well, the black does have a little bit of fallout. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some glitter primer, this NYX glitter primer, with this Luxie small shader brush that I got in BoxyCharm. Now with that same brush, I'm going into the shade Phobia, which is this shade down here, and I'm going to put it like in the center. Okay, now with that same brush, I'm just going to flip it and I'm going into the shade Demonic, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna go back and forth from the Demonic and Phobia shade so they could just blend in together. going to be doing the same thing to the other side. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. Hopefully it looks okay. Now I'm going to be using the last shade, which is this one right here, the gold one, and it is called Attic, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner using this, what are you called, Luxie Mini round brush, this one right here, and I got this in a BoxyCharm as well. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. For mascara, I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. This one right here. For eyeliner, I used my favorite eyeliner, Miss Hana. This one right here. And I also applied highlighter, and I used this one by Revolution. It is the ICU highlighter. This is what it looks like. I really like this highlighter, and I'm actually going to apply some lipstick, and it is the Katy Kat matte lipstick by CoverGirl, this one right here, and it is in black in the shade Perry Panther. I got this like 2 years ago. This is what it looks like, so I will be applying this right now. Okay, so I already applied lipstick. I haven't worn black lipstick in a long time. But anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Sorry if my face looks cakey. My skin feels dry right now for some weird reason. But this is the eye look. I know it doesn't look perfect, but I still really like it. I like how it turned out.
I like how I look today.
And I changed my sweater because it didn't match with my makeup, because I was wearing a blue sweater. Now I'm wearing a black sweater. So if I look different, that is why. So that is all for today. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this look, and also let me know what you guys are going to be doing for Halloween. I'm probably just going to be home giving out candy, or I might make a cake, I don't know, or eat pizza, and I'm not gonna do anything else besides that because I do have to finish an essay for English, so I can't really go out, so that sucks. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this palette bingo, and if you guys want to watch the first palette bingo that I did with the same palette, I will link it up here in the cards. And so yeah, well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys, and happy Halloween.